Okay, so here we are on leg number 2.
Yeah.
He's eating a salt and vinegar chip. And anyways, what do you have to say for yourselves?
This combo is delicious.
Regular chips and dark chocolate almond chocolate, Whitaker's.
I think I have discovered the new height of fine dining.
So anyways, we are on Lake Manapouri.
Yes.
We have as you can see, some beautiful scenery. Get your head out of the way. In the background there, some...
Oh yeah.
There's some more beautiful scenery up there. So we are going to be on a 50-minute boat ride. 50. We have a resident quizmaster here to ensure entertainment.
It's provided in a prompt and timely manner.
All over your teeth.
Very attractive.
And so that's that. Then we will be on a bus over the pass and then on to our final boat for the night.
I have one question. In case of an emergency on the boat, we're supposed to muster on top up there.
Yes.
What do we do if the boat's already turned over? Do we still go to the top, or is the top different